Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to calibrate the IC-pH610B Bluetooth pH and temperature tester. For this video we have already conditioned, installed batteries and paired the pH tester with the Jenco Wand app. If you need a hand doing this, watch the setup video that is linked in the video description first. To enter into calibration mode, press Calibrate on the bottom of the screen. Then press Calibrate on the center of the screen. The app will give you step-by-step instructions on how to calibrate the meter. For this calibration example, we are performing a 2-point calibration. This is the recommended minimum. On the IC-pH610B, you can perform up to 3 points of calibration. We are using pH4-250R and pH7-250R, as well as some distilled water for rinsing. The first step is to place the electrode into the pH 7 buffer solution. Ensure the electrode is completely immersed, then press Start on the app. Wait until the meter calibrates to pH 7. The first point of calibration is complete. Next, you can select to continue on and calibrate to a second pH point or save and exit. Rinse the meter in distilled water, then immerse in the next solution. Depending on your requirements, the second point of calibration could be either 4.01 or 10.01. Press continue. The meter will automatically recognize whether you are calibrating to pH 4 or pH 10. Once this point has been calibrated, you can continue on to the third remaining point of calibration or press save and exit. Remember to rinse the electrode thoroughly before use. Once the calibration has been saved, extra information has appeared on the measurement screen. We now have information under days since last calibration, electrode efficiency percentage, and the accuracy indicator has been updated. And that's how straightforward it is to calibrate the IC-pH610B Bluetooth and pH temperature tester. For more information on the Jenco Bluetooth series of meters, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details can be found in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.